Has Mr. YY joined? Guys, has everyone forgotten?
Sir, 1 minute, please. मैं तो भूल गया सर, मैंने वो ट्राई कर लिया और भूल गया।
बेटा बस रेशो फॉर्म में लिख दो दोनों को,
सर मैंने रेशो फॉर्म में लिखा है,
तो बस अपने आप आंसर आएगा।
पता नहीं।
आई थिंक ओके, ये यूनिटरी मेथड का क्वेश्चन नहीं है, ये स्पीड डिस्टेंस टाइम का है। इसमें डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला आपको अप्लाई करके आंसर देना है। सो डिस्टेंस इक्वल टू स्पीड इनटू टाइम। Direct you can apply, it is 112 by 60, which is 1 by 5. So 50 into 6 by 5. Though it can be done by ratio form also. So 60 kilometer will be my answer.
सर
It
बस
can be done.
रेशो फॉर्म
रेशियो
से
फॉर्म में ऐसा बेटा, इट्स ये क्वेश्चन इज नॉट अ वेरी गुड एग्जांपल ऑफ रेशियो फॉर्म। मैं नेक्स्ट देता हूँ।
ओके
I gave it quickly because I was checking on other kids. I will give you a next one. You can do 13th one. Last question, everyone understood now?
यस
Yeah.
सर। नहीं
Let's
सर, एक चीज पूछनी है सर मेरे को।
distance, yeah, ask.
सर क्या आपने 50 इंटू 112/5 क्यों करा?
बेटा 112/60 किया मैंने, बिकॉज 1 hour 12 minutes को मैं 1 hour 12 minutes को आवर्स में कन्वर्ट
अच्छा
करूंगा,
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक
तो इट विल बिकम 112/60।
ठीक है। हेलो सर।
हेलो धीरज, वेयर इज अव्यान?
सर आई डोंट नो
डू यू हैव अ टेस्ट टुमारो?
सर, आर एग्जाम्स आर गोइंग ऑन।
13th one, everyone. Sunny, you want to send me a screenshot?
Sir, Mama is not home and she has taken my phone.
That's great. Where is she?
Sir, I don't know. She said she will come in 1.5 hours.
Okay, I meant she is in Ludhiana only. No?
Yes, sir.
Darsha also has not joined. So Preeti, Oja and Vishrut, send your answer.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, I forgot the ratio method.
बेटा आपने लास्ट रिकॉर्डिंग गो थ्रू करी?
Yes, sir.
ओके देन वेट.
सर मेरा आंसर का अजीब सा आ रहा है, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा.
All right. So Preeti, Oja. So 12 cardboards. So I will write number of cardboards
Sir, I found my mistake. Sir, मैंने calculation multiplication नहीं
and
करती थी.
width. So number of cardboards are 12. Width
Sir,
is
shouldn't we,
65.
sir, shouldn't
Number
we
of
keep the number of cardboards
बेटा
and
कुछ भी या कुछ भी कर लो आप. Like you can do it. Now I told you x upon 312 is equal to 65 upon 12. So x is equal to 65 upon 12 into 312. प्रीतिश यही आ रहा था कैलकुलेशन?
तो मैंने वो रेशियो वाले वे से करा था. Sir, I didn't understand why did we get into 312.
बेटा because this is in the denominator, it will go to the other side and become multiplication.
And then why did we put x equal to?
बेटा because x upon this, इसका ratio will be equal to ratio of this. Method ही यही है कि ratio of this width to cardboards or width to cardboards will be same, और cardboards to width और cardboards जैसे आप 12 upon 65 करते equal to 312 upon x, तो आपको रेसिप्रोकल करना पड़ता. Then you would have got 65 upon 12 equal to x upon 312. समझ आया धीरज?
Yes, sir. I did a different way, so I got a bit confused.
थोड़ा सा बेटा प्रैक्टिस चाहिए, then it will be like
I
same.
divided 312 with 12 and then similar questions. I divided
Yes.
312.
What are you saying, Pritish?
I was saying that can you give one similar question to this?
Similar question ही दे रहा हूँ मैं. All these questions.
So I divided 312 by 12 and then I got 26. I multiplied 26
बेटा
with
don't do it other way ना. That's what I'm saying. अगर आप brain use ही मत करो, सीधे सीधे रेशियो फॉर्म में लिख दो, इक्वल कर दो. Remember in every question you have to check words increase होंगे, time increase होगा, words decrease होंगे, time decrease होगा. So you will have to check if it is a question of direct variation or not. This is called direct variation, means one is increasing, the other thing is also increasing. Oja, beta, are you facing any problem?
No, sir.
तो फिर you have not sent the answer. There, what did you write at the top? Words or time?
Sir, words.
Words. Font time. Words कितने हैं? 540. Time
Sir,
है
I
30
understood my
minutes.
mistake. I accidentally did it for
Words are
8 hours.
X. Time is 8. So 540 upon 30 is equal to X upon 8. Solve कर लो, आंसर आ जाएगा. Myra, should I solve further?
No, sir. Resend my answer.
Okay.
Accidentally did it for 8 hours.
All right. So next is, this was direct variation. When one thing increases, second thing increases. In such cases, guys, just I am telling you for your information, the ratio is constant. Means अगर ये x है, ये y है, तो x by y same होगा. चाहे कोई भी केस हो. जैसे ये एग्जांपल देखते हैं. This is, you have to check if they are proportional or not. So 3 is to 9, 1 by 3. ये भी 1 by 3, ये भी 1 by 3, ये भी 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So yes, they are proportional. Understood? They are directly proportional. Understood? तो ratio should be same. समझ आया ये? Pritesh, understood this?
Yes. Sir, could you please explain again?
Beta, the ratio of x is to y, x is to y, x is to y is same.
Okay.
1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So you will study this in grade 8. So मैं, because it's easy, that's why I'm giving you a little bit introduction.
For
Next is
next
inverse
year.
proportion. Inverse proportion, guys, SPM के syllabus में नहीं है. But like, this is a good concept which is required in the Olympiads and you will study in grade 8. Inverse proportion क्या होता है? If one thing increases, second decreases. कब होता है ये? जैसे if the, suppose there is a house or a hostel where number of boys are there. So if number of boys are 100, their food supply will last for how many days? Let's say 20 days.
Let's see.
तो next, अगर number of boys बढ़ गए, then the
So
food
food.
supply will last for
10
more
days.
time or less time.
Less time.
So number of boys increase, food supply decrease.
So it could be
This is
like
a case of inverse variation. We call it, this is a case of inverse variation.
sir,
इसमें
so
क्या
could it,
होता है? Wait बेटा, let me complete. इसमें क्या होता है? प्रोडक्ट कांस्टेंट होता है. क्या कांस्टेंट होता है? प्रोडक्ट. जैसे ये एग्जांपल देखो, 16 इंटू 9, एक्स और वाई का प्रोडक्ट कांस्टेंट होता है, मींस मल्टीप्लाई कांस्टेंट होता है. 16 into 9, 144, 72 into 2, 144, 36 into 4, 144, 48 into 3, 144. I will show with example, then you will understand. Let's see. One more example. If 45 men can do a piece of work in 49 days, how many days will 35 men do it? Up, like this case is again of direct variation or inverse variation?
inverse.
Inverse variation में क्या होता है? Their
So when one
product
is
is a constant.
so the people of men are going down, so the time taken for the piece of work will
Yeah.
increase.
So if the number of persons become less, time taken to finish will increase. So 45 into 49 is equal to, product है 45 into 49 is equal to 35 into x. Simple. सीधे सीधे प्रोडक्ट को इक्वल करना है. 35 into x days, 45 times 49. तो x will be equal to 45 times 49 divide by 35. समझ आया guys ये?
Yes, sir.
चलो, let's do some questions. Next, fourth कर लो guys. We'll do just 1 or 2 questions only, not much.
तो मैं इससे हो नहीं रहा, आप समझा दो।
बेटा दोनों के प्रोडक्ट को इक्वल कर दो।
तो मतलब 35x इक्वल्स टू 14 इंटू 45।
विच वन?
सर तो क्या करेंगे फिर?
जो आपने बोला, क्या बोला आपने, रिपीट करोगे?
मैंने बोला कि 35x इक्वल्स टू 14 इंटू 45।
एग्जैक्टली बेटा, यही करना है। चलो गाइस, टाइम अप।
सर एक सेकंड रुक जाओ।
45 अब तो हो जाएगा ना क्वेश्चन। 45 इंटू 14 इक्वल टू 35 इंटू एक्स। एक्स इज इक्वल टू 45 इंटू 14 अपॉन 35। So 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35. So it will be 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35. So it will be 18 days. 18. How many workers are required to do the 18 workers? Okay, got it?
सर तो डिवाइड करने की जगह मल्टीप्लाई करना है।
बेटा डिवाइड, यस बेटा, अब रेशियो, अब इनवर्स, जब इनवर्स वेरिएशन होगा ना तो उनका
Yes, sir.
प्रोडक्ट कांस्टेंट होगा।
ओ
ओके, सो एमी, प्रीति अंडरस्टूड, धैर्य अंडरस्टूड।
यस सर।
digits of a two-digit number differ by
नेक्स्ट अगेन अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ इनवर्स वेरिएशन। Darsha, you asked this doubt to me last year. Similar question.
Yeah.
इससे टफ था वो, रिमेम्बर?
No.
Vishruth sent to ma'am. Dilwani and Dhairya
So just a minute.
and Preeti.
उन्होंने भेज
Darsha, you understood this? Darsha, should I explain this?
Sir, I sent the answer.
बेटा इट्स रॉन्ग, ये इनवर्स
No.
वेरिएशन है, मींस उनका प्रोडक्ट कांस्टेंट होगा. सो 6 मल्टीप्लाइड विद 84 will be equal to 7 multiplied with x minutes. So x is equal to 6 into 84 divide by 7. So which will be what? 72 minutes, which is 1 hour 12 minutes. Okay, Darsha.
Okay.
So next we'll just look a little bit of proportion. So as I told you in last class also, an equality of ratios is called proportion. So we'll do couple of questions of proportion. Teri method कहाँ है भाई proportion? Yeah. So if you are given four numbers which are A, B, C and D, let's say, let me teach you on whiteboard. If you are given four numbers, Darsh, which are A, B, C and D. One second, guys, it's loading. So if I tell you A, B, C, D and are in proportion, what does it mean?
A, B, So I think it means A upon B is equal to C upon D.
It means that A by B equal to C by D. I can write it like this also. A by B, for the equal to sign, I can use 2 times colon C is to D. So I can also do it like this, cross multiply AD equal to BC. So if I am doing AD equal to BC, that gives me a new rule. What does the new rule say? That product of means is equal to product of extremes. Means मतलब बीच वाले number, extremes मतलब side वाले number. So product of means is equal to product of
So could it
extremes.
be AC equal to BD?
No, beta, it cannot be AC equal to BD. It can only be AD equal to BC.
And minute and quarter.
No, yes, you can drink water. So let's do one or two questions. One second, let me give you. If x is to 18, 5:3 is equal to 5:3. So find x. Amira and Dheeraj and Oja. Oja, should I explain again?
No, sir, I sent it.
Dheeraj, Oja, do you enjoy your life at Wilhelms?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to come back or no?
No, sir.
What do you have to do?
Beta, you have to do the question. Now everyone is done. So product of means. So 3 into x is equal to 18 into 5. So x is equal to 18 times 5 divided by 3, which is equal to 30, which is equal to 18 into 5 divided by 3, which is equal to 30. Yeah. All right. So guys, now we can start the next chapter, or we can
Can we do reasoning?
do this. No, not doing reasoning today. For few classes, we will do maths only. Which one we can? Triangle, congruence, comparing quantities. All this will come.
Percentage. तो percentage करवा दो.
Okay, we'll start with percentage then. ठीक है. So how do you convert? What is percentage? First of all, introduction, everyone knows percentage means out of 100, correct? So first part, how to convert a percent into a fraction. First fraction into a percent. How do we convert?
Sir, we first make the product. So we first just change the fraction to like 1,000, 100, or 10, or like any number ending with zero. We convert the fraction, and then we take then we
Suppose you
take
are
out.
suppose you are not able to convert it to a fraction with denominator 100,
Then we I don't know.
So
then
multiply
you
with 100.
multiply with 100. So how do we convert this into a percentage? We simply multiply with 100. I get 12%. So what does number 1 means in percent? Can you tell me? What does number 1 means in percent? It means 100%.
100%.
What does number 2 means in percent?
Half. 50.
200%.
200%.
What does number half means in percent?
50%.
50%. So 3 by 25, the rule is simple, just multiply by 100 because the percent sign is lucky. Whenever it comes, you multiply by 100. Whenever it goes, you divide by 100. That's as simple as that. Do the next two questions, guys. Do them quickly.
कोई परसेंट का साइन है?
Beta, you have to convert these fractions into percent.
मैं कह रहा हूँ कोई परसेंटेज का साइन है कीबोर्ड में?
Yes, beta, 5 की के ऊपर होता है.
अच्छा.
Hello, Polki. How was your trip, beta?
Sir, it was very good.
Did you bring something for me?
Yes, sir, I brought my good wishes.
You know, I just went to Jaipur. I was missing you.
Oh, really, sir? Where did you go?
I stayed it in a hotel. I went to Pushkar also.
Pushkar is a nice place.
Yes. One of my relatives is also there. Jaipur only. So I was thinking I can meet if I can meet Polki. I called your name also 3-4 times, but you didn't hear. So Lilwani,
So what are these arrows?
it means it's not simplified. So I will simply multiply by 100, but I have to simplify also. It goes without saying, right? So simplify
Yes.
we have to do. So this will become 2, this will become 5. So I will get 35 by 2, which is 17.5%, 17.5 or 17.5.
सर हम
All
सीधा
right.
35/2% क्यों नहीं लिख सकते?
बेटा आपको मिक्स से
Sir,
डेसिमल
thank
में
you.
करना पड़ेगा ना.
अच्छा.
Mixed.
ओके.
Next one, we multiply by 100, 1 by 3 multiply by 100. I will get 100 by 3 or 33 1 by 3%.
Sir, I wrote the same thing, 33.333%.
So
बेटा avoid
33 point.
using the आपने अभी बार कंसेप्ट या तो बार आप यूज करो.
Sir,
So
बार
Otherwise
का
30,
साइन डालना नहीं आता, sir.
तो फिर फ्रैक्शन में दे दो.
Okay.
so 33.34%. ठीक है.
जहां अब आप कैम्ब्रिज में नहीं हो और वैसे कैम्ब्रिज में होते तो भी 33.33 होता. अब तो आप उसमें हो. अब तो आप लाइक आईसीएससी में हो तो अब तो आप यू कैन नॉट डू ऑल दिस स्टफ. You have to follow the line. So do this question, next one, quickly. Jahan and Vishut, you remember we did direct and inverse proportion while preparing also.
Yes, sir. सर डायरेक्ट याद है, सर इनवर्स याद है, डायरेक्ट नहीं याद मेरे को.
कि डायरेक्ट हमने ऐसे नहीं किया होगा आई थिंक. हमने डायरेक्टली यूनिटरी मेथड से किया होगा डायरेक्ट.
It's coming. Ragini is not in the meeting, so should be sent to you.
Yes, you can send to me, guys. Correct, Vishrut. Correct, Jahan. Correct, Polki. Lay Potter, either you made a typing mistake or it's wrong.
Sir, I'll check.
Correct, Preeti. Correct, Darsha. Correct, Lilwani. Correct, Wicked Sunny. Amy and Oja. Correct, Oja. 4. 2s are 8. So then when I will multiply, I will get what? I will get what?
Sir, is the answer 162.5%?
Yes, 325 by 2, which is 162.5%.
I forgot to add the 1 value.
Okay, now we will convert percentage to fraction. Percentage to fraction. So how do we convert? Now we follow the same thing. Percent sign is lucky. Whenever it goes, we divide by 100. Suppose I have
Yes.
20%. So I
52.
will do 20 upon 100, which is equal to 1 by 5.
1
So
by
in
5.
fractions, it will be 1 by 5. So next one, understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
So we have to do 6.5% and 3 1 by 8%.
6.5% or 65%?
The 6.5%.
So this C part is already in fraction.
Beta, but there is a percentage sign, so you have to remove the percentage sign.
Okay.
So whenever the lucky charm percentage goes, we divide by 100.
तो दूसरा वाला कैसे होगा?
Beta, same thing. Percent sign is going or coming, tell me.
Sir, going.
So you will divide by 100.
Sir, it already. अच्छा.
Now you guys can send to ma'am also. So Lilwani, both are correct. And Potterly Harry. First is not simplified. Second is wrong. All right, let's see, guys. So first of all, I will write 65 upon 10%. Upon 10%. प्रीतिश, ये चीज समझ में आई? मैंने केवल डेसिमल हटाया और नीचे 10 लिख दिया. Mr.
सर
Preeti.
मैंने भी यही करा.
Okay, then I will write it as 65 upon 1000.
सर क्यों?
Amira, because I have to remove the
अच्छा,
percent sign,
ओके.
then I can simplify this
सर आओ.
13 by 200. So answer will be 13 by 200 by dividing
किसके
with
टेबल
5.
पे जा रहा था? किसके टेबल
Yes,
पे जा रहा? किसके
5
टेबल
के
पे जा
बेटा,
रहा सर?
5 के.
So
5
can
के
it be
देखो.
0.065?
0.065. Beta, I have particularly asked you to convert to fractions. Okay, you have removed the percentage sign, but 0.065 is in decimals. Next one, it is 25 by 8%. Now I am removing the percent sign, so it means 25 upon 8 into 100 in the denominator, or 1 by 100. आप into 1 by 100 भी कर सकते हो, into 100 in the denominator. So this will be 4, this will be 1 by 32. So Darsha, Dhairya, Polki, understood guys?
I didn't understand the
Yes,
last.
sir.
बेटा मैंने परसेंट साइन हटाया, नीचे 100 से डिवाइड कर दिया.
Okay, sir.
100
Sir,
को
मैंने
बेसिकली मैं डिवाइड नहीं कर रहा, 100 को आई एम ब्रिंगिंग टू द डिनोमिनेटर.
Okay, sir.
excuse me, sir.
या
Sir, can I leave 2 minutes early? I have a class at 8:30.
you can leave 118 seconds early.
Okay, sir.
So convert 135% into fractions. Oja and Dhairya, what I will do to remove the percent sign? Yes, Dhairya, tell me.
I sent the answer, but I will make it 135 by 100.
135 by 100. Then I will do 27 upon 20, which is 17 by 20. All right. धीरज क्या प्रॉब्लम था, क्या हो गया इस क्वेश्चन में?
Sir, I made it into mixed fraction, then I converted the fraction part and I left the one. So I got 17 by 50.
So Amira, what happened in this question?
So I resend my answer. I sent the correct answer.
Okay. So I will show you a beautiful drawing today. I don't remember if I have ever shown you before.
Sir, pie chart.
Yeah. So you have to give the fraction percent of the shaded part. You have to give the percent of the shaded part. So no, Darsha, this is a pizza.
Okay, sir.
So I have eaten
Fraction of
the
the sauced part.
no, I have eaten the rest two parts of the topping. Topping of the two of the pieces because I like extra topping.
Sir, do we have to give the fraction or the percent?
What is it written percent of the shaded part?
No, sir, it's written fraction.
Written percent. Can you see this sign?
Sir, can I leave? I have a class in like 2 minutes.
You have at 8:30 or 8:25?
Sir, I also have it.
8:30.
Sir, I
So
also have.
it's 7 minutes left.
सर इसलिए तो मैंने 2 मिनट लिए हम सेम क्लास में हैं
कौन सी क्लास में हो आप?
सर साक्षी मैम हिस्ट्री
साक्षी मैम की क्लासेस है.
आप हिस्ट्री पढ़ रहे हो?
सर मैंने
सर
कुछ ही
हिस्ट्री
सिलेबस
सिविक्स
किया
ज्योग्राफी मैम सब कुछ कराते हैं अब.
सर मैंने बस हिस्ट्री किया मैं बस हिस्ट्री कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरा कुछ नहीं सिलेबस खत्म हुआ
नहीं तो आप ये बताओ, आपको इंडिया के बारे में नहीं पता आपको?
सर इंडिया नहीं है कैथोलिक चर्च है
अभी तो मुगल एम्पायर करवा रहे हैं.
तो यू कैन गो टू अ चर्च फॉर दैट.
सर हमारा सर
मैम सर ओल्डन चर्चेस.
तो यू कैन गो टू अ चर्च इन गोवा. आप अभी गोवा होके ही आए हो,
यस
इसमें
सर
क्या
सर
प्रॉब्लम है?
मैं सर आई वेंट टू द बिगेस्ट चर्च इन द होल वर्ल्ड सेंट पीटर्स बेसिलिकास चर्च
माय गॉड आई डोंट
वेयर
इवन नो द
उन्होंने वो
नेम.
मतलब एक चर्च है ना, वहां पे उन्होंने बॉडी रखी हुई है एक प्रीस्ट की.
यस सर
उसी चर्च में गए थे आप?
यस सर
छी.
तो क्या हुआ सही है
स्मेल आती होगी
इट्स
सर
इट
बहुत
नो नो
सर
इट्स
बहुत
सेड
ज्यादा.
दैट बेटा उन प्रीस्ट की बॉडी कभी भी ना वो नहीं होती, खराब नहीं होती, यू नो.
अच्छा फिर स्मेल नहीं आती होगी.
अगर आ
तो
गई
मैंने
तो
होली वाटर पिया वहां से
There has been a lot of research. I
विश्व
remember
विश्व
going to
आई
that
थिंक
church. You know, the person there told the story with so much zeal and so much, you know, he was telling the story like the expressions were coming on it, and he was feeling it from the bottom of the heart, and he was, you know, giving so
sir it's his
much.
life telling the story, sir.
It
It's his
was like
testimony.
he was
John,
telling us a horror story. We really
हाँ
got scared the way he was telling the story.
Sir look.
I got
विश्व
90
बोल.
I got 96
Okay, so it's the fraction is 3/5. We multiply by 100. Poll की क्या हो गया आंसर को? Answer will be 60%. Poll की is disconnected.
No sir
What happened beta? 3/5 into 100 करना था. I gave you a beautiful pizza beta. You didn't appreciate it. क्या है ये?
Sir even saved 3 slices for us.
So now you have to convert the ratio into percentage. So 1:4.
but is that physically possible
Yes beta, just write the ratio as a
अच्छा
fraction.
30
To convert ratio to percentage.
Yeah. So all right, I'll just solve it. It will be 1/4 into 100.
Sir, it will be 25%
मेरा
and
पहले का 25% है दूसरा वाला
37.5%.
यस सर
So it will be 25 upon 2, which will be 75 upon 2, which will be 37.5%. Shruth. Next question, guys.
now may I leave sir
No, beta, no. There is still time.
क्लास है सर
Sir
There is still time.
Sir 3 मिनट तो
तो ये
लॉकडाउन
क्वेश्चन कर जाओ.
सर
मैं
क्या
तब मानूंगा आपको समझ में आ गया.
ओके
सी क्वेश्चन करेंगे
So
फिर.
I have to wake up at 5 o'clock tomorrow. My exam is very early.
Solve the question and go. As simple as
सर
that.
मुझे करना है
So convert each part of the ratio. Convert each part of the ratio. 1:2:5 means You have to give the separately in percentages. 1 का कितना परसेंट है, फर्स्ट का एलिमेंट का, थर्ड एलिमेंट का, फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, सेकंड एलिमेंट, थर्ड एलिमेंट.
ये कैसे करना है?
So if you want a hint, I can give a hint.
Yes, sir.
Sir, hint please.
No, sir, I understood it very easy actually. I think if I did it correct.
So hint is find the fraction converted into percentage.
सर ये क्या हिंट है?
ये बहुत अच्छी hint है.
Yes, sir. Very good hint. Sir, you should
Ask.
be a giver instead of a teacher.
Pooja, you have some story to tell me about Williams.
No.
Why?
Sir.
विशुद्ध दर्शन नहीं आ रहा है आंसर.
Sir,
It's
10%,
very-
20%, 50%.
Wrong.
30%.
मेरा आ गया आंसर.
So send me.
आपको भेजो. सर मैं आप स्पीक कर सकता हूँ?
No.
सर मैंने मैम को भेज दिया.
मैंने भी मैम को भेजा.
Sir, I think I understood.
All right, guys, take this question as a homework. Vishnu, your answer is correct.
Let's go.
Sir, wait, sir, I'm almost done, sir.
Take this question
Sir,
as a
मैंने भी
homework.
भेज दिया.
Sir, भेज दिया, sir.
चलो फिर बता ही देता हूँ.
सर सेंड.
चलो फिट कर लेते हैं. Oh no.
Sir,
You guys want to try at home or should I explain?
Sir, अभी explain करो.
Explain कर दूं. So fraction is Potter Leheri is correct. बेटा last answer, first answer correct है, बाकी गलत है.
Yes.
तो fraction I think आपने multiply गलत कर दिया. Fraction will be 1 upon 8. First of all, total parts equal to 8. 1 plus 2 plus 5 equals to 8. So fraction will be 1 upon 8. So percentage will be 1 by 8 into 100. That is equal to 12.5. Similarly, fraction for next. अब आपका 1 का आ गया, you can directly multiply by 2 or 5 or you can convert it into fraction. Percentage will be 2 by 8 into 100, which is equal to 25%. Similarly, fraction will be 5 by 8, percentage will be 5 by 8 into 100. Ma'am, please erase the names. 62.5%. So understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
sir, मैंने अलग method से किया, sir.
All right, guys, that's all for today. Bye
Sir,
bye.
मैंने 1x
Bye,
plus
sir,
2x
thank you.
plus 5x is equal to 100 ऐसे.
Yes, sir. Same. I also use the X method.
Bye, sir.
ठीक है, bye guys, bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye. Good night.